Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the weather forecast in your area on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the home icon in the right side of the screen. That's the first option. And then you will be able to see your exact location and the exact weather forecast here. As you can see, there is the current temperature in your selected format or unit of measurement. You can either see it on the map, and if you click on this first section at the top of the screen, you will be able to see a more detailed description or chart about today's weather. As you can see, there is the hour row, as well as temperature, rain, wind gusts, wind direction, and so on. So if you swipe to the right side of the screen, you're going to see Sundays, Mondays, and Tuesdays weather as well. So you can, as you swipe to the right side of the screen, you can go further in the forecast and see the following days weather forecast as well. And you can either browse on the map that you can see in the middle of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.